1. Wrong a record. Problem: people often enter the wrong IP address when setting up DNS. Fix: make sure the A record host at points to 23.227.38.65, Shopify's official IP. Mistake 2. Incorrect CNAME setup. Problem: CNAME for www is missing or misconfigured. Fix: CNAME should point to shops.myshopify.com. 3. Not removing old DNS records. Problem: old or conflicting CNAME records still exist. Delete all unused or conflicting DNS records before adding Shopify's. Mistake 4. Expecting instant results. Problem: expecting the domain to connect immediately. Fix: DNS changes can take up to 48 hours. Be patient. Don't keep changing settings. Mistake 5. Ignoring SSL status. Problem: leaving domain unsecured with no SSL. Fix: Shopify automatically provides SSL. Wait for SSL pending to change to SSL active. Don't remove or re-add domain during this time. Bonus